CIL 650.
A smile is just a frown turned upside down, my friend. So hear me when I'm saying
Smiling faces sometimes don't always tell the truth, but smiling faces usually mean that somebody has been to see Dr. Ron Zokol or Dr. Bobby Birdie at BC Perio Dental Health Implant Center. People walk into your office, to your clinic, just like that song. They're sort of frowning, but when they leave, they're smiling.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be nice if it were always the case?
Well, it's probably, I haven't seen anybody leave your office with a frown on their face.
Well, we try not to have that happen. And if it were to be the case, it's only because they can't see themselves getting the work they're looking forward to.
All right. Now, I don't want to put anybody to shame on this program, but let me ask you a question. Who do you mostly see, women or men?
Probably women.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we have a nice cross-section, but I would say that women are the predominant people who come in.
And they're the ones that, of course, bring their children in as well?
Not only that, but bring their husbands in.
That's what was my next question.
They
drag the husband in.
You're equating children with husbands. I'm not too sure.
Well,
here.
yeah, it's there. So it's usually the female of the family that's the caregiver?
Yes.
She makes the appointments?
Well, men are too busy, and often they find themselves busy during the daytime, and they'll just put it off and put it off and put it off. And many times we'll see their wives saying, "We don't like the way you look or the way you're doing this and doing that." And so,
sorry, honey, that's my baddie, or what was that?
Yeah.
So you talked about these guys. I'm one of those kind of guys, like I'm really busy during the day. I alluded to this early in the program, but I am the guy going down to your clinic on Monday, and you're going to take good care of me?
Always.
Because, these questions I ask you about being nervous and about being, that's well, yeah, it's me. Yeah.
Sorry to hear that.
Okay. I'll just get ready for that as we go along. Somebody has listened to the show for the first time. Dr. Zokol, we always say again, like there are people coming, new people to the show. Tell us about the benefits of going with dental implants at BC Perio.
Well, dental implants, the benefit of dental implants is the fact that you return an area of missing teeth to an area that supports your biting forces and allows you to chew as though you never lost the teeth in the first place. The benefit of doing it at BC Perio is that you're getting specialty level services provided at this facility here, and that's not to be considered lightly, because there's an awful lot of people. Implant dentistry, when it's done effectively, is very, very valuable. We have a lot of very good dentists in Vancouver, and if you were to drop a needle onto a phone book area, it'd probably point to a dentist that was very competent. When we get into some of the more advanced work, the more specialty skills that you have, the better you're able to take care of those unusual ones. And the difficulty is you never know when it's unusual until you get into it.
You've got quite the team down there at BC Perio. How long did it take you to actually get this team together, and how did you decide who you wanted on that team?
That wasn't my decision. I was pulled into this team. Dr. Birdie had already been working with Dr. Munz and Dr. Kleinman. Dr. Tim Gould was there at the time. He has since retired from clinical practice. And about 6 months ago, I was pulled in, and I started working there as well. So Dr. Birdie is the creator of this team. And as I say, all those guys are specialists in periodontics, and Dr. Birdie has the dual specialty in prosthodontics.
And they're all darn good at what they do.
They're all darn good at what they do.
You had a practice for eons over on Canby Street?
Yeah, 12th and Canby.
Yeah?
Yeah,
now
City
you've moved to Broadway? All your patients know about that now?
Well, I presume they do.
Yeah, I'm looking for Dr. Zokol.
We try to get that information out, and to whatever degree we were successful, and usually I rely on the people and the team within the facility there to handle all that part of it.
So again, now somebody's thinking about this, they going, oh, okay, you know what, I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to call Dr. Zokol on Monday if you want to give him, because your office is closed on the weekend, so 2 more days ain't going to make a big difference.
That's correct. We're teaching a whole group of dentists this weekend.
Oh, so you are busy.
Mm-hmm.
I say, okay, after the show, you can just get the heck out of here. But the address in Vancouver is 501-777 West Broadway, 501-777 West Broadway. The telephone number is 604-872-0222, 604-872-0222 for the BC Perio Implant Center in Vancouver. And if you live in Coquitlam, it's number 250, 1175 Johnson Street. And the telephone number there is 604-936-8244, 604-936-8244. Again, let's just get on that bus and let's talk about first-timers coming to visit you, Ron Zokol. Complimentary consultation. You sit in the chair. Hi, how are you? My name's Tom. You're Ron. Okay, let's go. What do we do?
Take a look in your mouth.
Okay.
We've got an x-ray that we've already taken, so we correlate what we see in the mouth with what we see in the x-ray, and we ask you, what are you looking for?
Okay.
What are your objectives? What's the problem that you're experiencing? What's your chief concern? So we'll try to solve that chief concern for you and at least give you information about it and see if we can provide a solution. And then you're free to decide whether you want that solution with us or with somebody else.
It's not like the average salesperson, and I just, because I know there are anybody in sales that listen to the show are not like that, but there are sometimes people that will try to sell you what they want to sell you. But I know when we go to BC Perio that you look at the person's situation, you look at their teeth, you look at their head, you look at everything, and then you say, here's what should be done to help you out, right?
That's right.
So it's not like you need to do a couple of implants that day. You're not going to sell me implants.
No, and
No.
It's the fortunate thing is that we're busy enough that we don't have to treat everybody,
Okay.
and that's good. Our goal is to treat people who want to be treated, and not to push people into treatment who don't feel that it's something that's important to them.
So once again, they come down, they have their complimentary consultation, and by the end of that meeting, they'll know exactly where they're going to have to go.
We'll give them the options for sure.
Nice, good stuff. So Dr. Birdie is teaching today or playing with his little son?
Teaching.
He's teaching.
Yeah, I've gotten a reprieve. I'm here.
Do you have to go there after the show?
I do.
Okay, well, we won't hold you up. Dr. Ron Zokol, thank you for coming in today.
It's been a pleasure, Tom.
It's always and thank you for wearing the dentist suit today. That was
Yeah, well, yeah, I got
nice
my
little
scrubs
touch.
on. That's right, my working suit.
People can watch this on our replays if you go to the podcast of the radio station. We've been speaking on Boomer Life today with Dr. Ron Zokol. He's a pinch hitting for Dr. Bobby Birdie. The name of the operation, and you've got to check it out, it's BC Perio Dental, Health, and Implant Center, 2 locations in Vancouver, 501-777 West Broadway. That's 501-777 West Broadway. The telephone number for your complimentary consultation, 604-872-0222, 604-872-0222. In Coquitlam, it's number 250, 1175 Johnson Street. The telephone number in Coquitlam, 604-936-8244. You've got to get to work, and I got to get out of here.
We'll see you later.
Well, see you real soon. And Doctor, keep smiling.
Thank you.
Thank you. Dr. Ron Zokol and Tom Lucas on Boomer Life for BC Perio Dental Health and Implant Center. Y'all have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for listening.
Canada's only weekly radio show dedicated to the baby boomer lifestyle. This is Boomer Life on CIL 650.